O wā o lo uola ia lika riso lea. A o lo uoti o la umanuia lea. Whatalo whatu. Ia o auna a lea tua ma le nei tua la afiafi. Whatalo whatu fo i le o tō paia ma le o tō mamalu. Whawhatai o tō mawhutana o mawhuta o na tō sa uninga o si o mātō tinā. O lo ngoa o Vaiala. O wau o le longa kolu. O whanau o le nei mātō mātua. Ai siki tamu whai atu se Molimau, pupu, i le mawhutanga ma le lo tinā. O lau lupe ua sola mamau, o loite o se fui mai. Sorry. Those to understand somewhat, I am the third child of mum and dad. I was one of her tough kids growing up. I didn't prepare anything today, but it's going to let you think come out of the heart. About mum, to describe mum, she was tough. She's talented, life of a party. And she's always got a smile on her face, even though she's hurting. She's taught us and to be strong in no matter what we do, and that anything is possible through Christ. Well, I'd like to share one memory of my mum. When I first started dating my wife, Lorna, I took her over home and I had a little fallout with her. Yeah, that was the first time Lorna ever saw hiding in her life. Probably the first time she's seen the broom break pieces by pieces. But I'm grateful for all those teachings and for all of that. She's made who we are today, especially my siblings. She's, like RJ said, she's devoted to the church, her ecclesia. One thing about Mum, she used to always call me when I was in Australia. Every time it was her time to go langa, to send her some money for the koulanga. And she never misses it, but I'm grateful that I had the chance to always send when she asked. I believe there's a TikTok that goes around that says, "Give me the money." I believe my mom created that trend. She's always asking for money. But I'm just gonna keep it short and simple. Mom, we love you. Ia manuelo malanga. Say hi to Dad for us and keep watching over us, especially your grandkids. After I love